Alright, it's the next day now. I've got another car, man. Needs a fat clean. Look at that. But no paint issues, in good condition. Vauxhall Corsa. CDI. 2 keys. And yeah, it needs a proper clean. It's got parking sensors as well. But it just needs a new thingy valve, whatever you call it. I forgot what it's called. But it just reminds me of the VXR, man. So I'm about to wash it now. Bare dirt, bare pulling it in there. And it's like sticky dirty from the tree. Alright. I'm about to go dust some water into it now. It's looking pretty clean and shiny. That's how I like paintwork to look. Now I'm about to go dry the car now. These. I ran out of good microfiber cloth. I got these ones and the thing just soaks through it. So I'm about to go get some microfiber cloth and then to dry it properly, but the paintwork's looking pretty shiny, as you can see. Yeah, not bad. Got a good deal on that one. I'm gonna order the EGR valve right now that it needs and just get it done. Bless up. Alright, I just got back. I got microfiber cloth. Now I'm about to make a quick milkshake with, I thought I put some Snickers in it, I don't know why I'm bueno. And I'll show you how to do that actually. Why not, innit? Got the car looking clean. Look at that now. Just need to hoover the interior. But now, the car's looking clean. Yeah, this is so quickly. Jeez. Just gave it one wash. What I'm about to do now, I'm about to buff the headlights so they're just clear. Yo. Yeah, man. Right, this is what I used to buff the headlights and any paintwork. I bought this. I've reused it. I bought this that I attached to my drill from Alfred and then just use this in it. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see before and after. So this is before. You're gonna see it after. You can see this bit's clear, and that's what it was like before. So next one, basically I get the drill with the stuff on there. Well, I don't know where I put it. it up. I'm gonna put one more little shine on it, even though it doesn't need it. So the headlight turned on. Pretty clear. Pretty clear. That's it. Interior's turn, which I think it's going to clean up pretty well. The steering wheel definitely needs cleaning. Look at that. But yeah, I've cleaned it pretty nicely. I'm going to dust it first, and then hoover it out, clean it out, shine it up. And yeah, I'll get back to you once I've done that. And yeah, I'm just cleaning the steering wheel because it was filthy. I've just proper scrubbed in here. It was like, see how that looks? It went from, now it's this. How I'm doing it is I spray. I just scrub it. That looks pretty much brand new now. And the interior was really dusted before I've shined it up. Just gonna order the EGR valve in a second. Alright. Oh, it's still outside. I'm about to hoover the inside of the car now. When I've hoovered it, I'm going to show you what it's done. Then I'm going to come inside, order the EGR valve, and then get it on the market, make some profit. Wow. There you go, it's all clean now. The car's clean. The boot's clean. These mats, I don't know if I should try and clean them or chuck them away. It's all clean. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and support the thing, as I always say. And yeah man, flipping sweating. Bless. The finishing product of the interior. I might change the mats, but I cleaned the mats just now. I like, do you know that thing where you make the seats wet and then you hoover it? I forgot what that machine's called. I've done that to the seats. It's pretty good to go to sell really. Just need to do the EGR valve. That's me done with this for today.